Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a man spin, push spin. Knowing how to do a man spin already would be really useful. Knowing how to do a push spin already would be really useful. And actually the slightly easier version of this is the shoulder slide push spin. I'll put links to all those things in the description below in case you want to go back and check those out first, if you don't know them already. But for those of you who are ready, it looks like this. It's pretty simple. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let's break that down. It starts off like a standard man spin. So we go semicircle back, a hand coming up or not, up to you. We start the lady walking forwards, we're coming in, we're popping the lady's hand onto the hip, all as a normal man spin for now. This is where things change. Guys, we're going to turn a little bit faster than usual. We're going to place our right hand. The key word there is place, because we're going to pop our hand against the lady's forearm just in front of the elbow. So you can do it the other side of the elbow, but it's better the front side. Don't use the elbow itself, and avoid making that noise, of course. So make sure you make a nice soft contact. Keep turning yourself, and you actually hold the lady for a second as she's moving past, so you get a head start to then push her into the spin. And that little head start you give yourself means you're going to definitely get round before the lady, so you're going to be ready to make the catch. And then of course obviously we need to balance up with a return and step away. So let's think numbers. So we get back 1, coming in 2, everybody spins 3, catching 4, returning 5 and back 6. Let's try it all together. Here we go. 5, 6, man spin, push spin, back, in, spin, catch, return and back. And that's that. Hope you enjoy that. I hope you find it useful out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you like, you help promote the move. Yeah, because it makes this video more visible. If you subscribe, thank you very much indeed, because that helps promote the channel. And if you hit the notification bell, you'll get told every time a new video comes out. Last few seconds of the video, some windows come up. One of those is a music video, and that music video will be of something good to practice this move to, so it gives you something to play with. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.